So your 4-thread overlock is probably the most common stitch that you're going to use your Bernina L450 serger for. That means that you're going to thread all 4 threads, both the needles, both the loopers. Tensions are going to be set at 4. Stitch length, that's going to be probably left on the middle setting for normal stitch length. That's going to depend on your weight of fabric, but you can just set everything like at normal. And even too, on your quick reference guide where it's all color coded, this will give you an idea of what needs to be set for this exact stitch. So from differential feed at 1, your stitch length at 2.5, your cutting width at 6, so that's adjusted right here in the front, and then a little dot or an arrow move and line up together, and all colors are engaged. What we have here is all threads just nice and balanced, but that is the seam that when you're sewing something together, that means you don't have to go back and sew a regular sewing machine seam. It's going to be done all at once. Seam and overcast. Cuts that nice clean edge, makes it perfect. You're one and done. You don't have to go back and do it again. So whether you're doing woven fabric or if it's on stretchy fabric, this seam will actually have wonderful stretch and give for making it fit perfectly on knit fabric, stretchy fabrics, fleece, that type of thing. So your 4-thread overlock is a stitch that you're always going to go back to. And just a quick little recommendation is, let's say you're using one of the other stitches of the serger, like a 3-thread rolled hem. One thing that you might like to do is when you're done with that stitch is put everything back to a 4-thread, because that's probably what you're going to need when you sit down to it again. Then you won't forget, like you leave the little stitch finger out for rolled hem and then you wonder why your 4-thread overlock doesn't look good because you forgot to push that in. So that's just a little tip. When you're done, put it back to 4-thread, maybe put some new needles in and just leave some neutral thread on the serger when you're ready to serge.